Introducing Mech Solutions PLA Pro, the upgrade non-brittle PLA Plus filament, your key to unlocking endless possibilities in 3D printing. Make an eco-conscious choice with PLA Plus. Derived from renewable resources, it offers sustainability without compromising on performance. Navigate to the BIQU 3D printer interface and adjust the temperature settings. Ensure the extruder reaches its maximum temperature. For precision control, adjust the extruder via Cloud 3D print software. Prepare the filament for smooth insertion using a plier. Create a bevel for easy entry. Mount the filament spool securely above the BIQU printer. Gently insert the filament into the extruder, ensuring a steady flow during the printing process. As the BIQU 3D printer starts printing, witness the birth of your envisioned 3D model. We finally have our finished 3D model. Detailed, then ready for our envisioned purpose. Not just high-quality filaments, but Mech Solutions offers a spectrum of colors to bring vibrancy to your creations. Mech Solutions is your gateway to innovation.